Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be trying another product from iMethod Beauty. It is the Perfect Eyebrows in Seconds, which sounds almost too good to be true. So if you guys would like to try out this kit along with me and hear my thoughts, then just keep watching. Okay, so it is this one, Perfect Eyebrows in Seconds, and I have the shade number 5, which I think was like light brown. It says inside are stencils, pomade, sponge brush, dual-ended spoolie, and angled brow brush, all enclosed in a little zipper pouch for your beauty drawer or handbag. And it says, let's beauty together. And there are the little handles at YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. So let's check it out. Here it is in a little pouch, really cute. Step 1, choose the stencil that best fits. 2, dip the sponge brush into the pomade and tap it in the lid to remove any excess. Stamp on, and then fill by using the angled brush to apply the pomade to sparse areas, and then blend in with a spoolie. Sounds pretty simple, but is it? Flip over for other brow. Okay, so if you flip it over, you can only use it once before you clean it, because otherwise the pomade will get on to your face. I mean, I think this one looks pretty good, actually. This one is number 5, but there are a whole bunch. There's like more slim, there's ones with higher arches. So I think I'll go with that one. So we have our little sponge brush and we have our pomade. So let's zoom in and give this a try. Pomade says to dip in, and it says to tap in the cap to remove excess, but it's not a powder. It's a cream, but okay. And then we're going to place this on the eyebrow like so and pounce. So we'll start here. All right, we ready? Oh, that actually worked really, really well. Okay, now let's flip it over and try it on the other side. So before and after. That was way too easy. Let's see if we can do it again. I do have to say this side is a little bit harder to do just because it's my left hand holding down the stencil. All right, that one got a little bit wonky, but still I feel like the general shape is there. I think I need to clean up the front a little bit. There we go. This one seems like it's going up a little bit higher than the other, but I feel like I have that problem naturally anyway. Okay, then it says to use the brush to fill in any sparse areas, but honestly, I'm not really seeing any sparse areas. But maybe to make the arch go a little bit higher on this side, I would bring it up ever so slightly. I think they look pretty even. They might be a little bit on the dark side and a little bit blocky. But if you had like a lighter shade pomade to kind of feather in, it would look much more realistic. But that was really easy. And I think they look pretty uniform. They might be a little bit dark, but this is where I would go in with something like this or like a blonde brow gel to kind of add some definition. This one is the Sephora gel illuminator, the brow highlighting gel, and I have like the blonde shade, so it's like a slight gold fleck to it, so you can kind of feather it in and it looks like your hairs are differentiated from the background color, which is kind of nice. And I like this one. I will mix this in with my regular brow gel just for like a hint of lightness. Not sure if you guys can actually see it or not, but it adds just a touch of lightness to brows that are maybe a shade too dark. all in all, I'm a big fan of this little kit. This was super easy and super fast. Yes, it does give you more of like the block brow look, but you could apply it a little bit more light-handedly and then go in with like a brow gel to really make your brow hairs stand out. So I'm gonna say this kit is a win in my book. Easy, fast, and really great for people that don't know how to shape their brows or can't get them to look similar. So definite thumbs up. Thank you to iMethod for sending this over. I'm a fan, so hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.